kind, always hopes, protects, and trusts. Patient love doesn't boast and isn't proud. Love rejoices with truth. It's not self-seeking or rude. It keeps no records of wrongs. It perseveres and never fails. Love the Lord your God with all your heart, with all your soul, your mind, strength. He gives faith, hope, and love to feed your soul. But of the three, love stands alone. God tells us to love Him first and above all, and then to love your neighbor as yourself. That's what this is all about.